Hello students, now we will discuss about the relationship between income and demand in case of inferior goods. So we are well aware that inferior goods like coarse grain, jowar, bajra, cheap cloth, basically those items which are being used by a person because of his less income, because of his poverty. So in that case, if the demand for an inferior good is OQ initially at the price OP and its demand curve is D. So if the income of consumer increases, then obviously the purchasing power of that person will increase, and in that case he will like to have some good things, some better quality in things, so he will reduce the consumption of coarse grains, cheap cloths and any other inferior goods, and he will start using his extra income for better commodities. So the demand curve will shift backward and the quantity demanded will be reduced when the income of the consumer increases. On the other hand, if the income of the consumer is decreasing, means poor person becomes more poor, then in that case he will not be able to purchase any superior commodity. So in that case he will increase the demand for the cheaper things. So due to the decrease in income, the demand of these things will increase from OQ to OQ1. So the demand curve will be shifted towards the right or forward conditions. It shows the shift of demand curve because of the income change of the consumer. So in this case, if the income increases, then negative effect will be there. With the increase in income, quantity will be reduced in demand, and if the income decreases, then as per the negative effect, with the decrease in income, the quantity demanded will be increased.